Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd, 2025. I am here at Mandarin Holiday Marina. This is Hunky Dory. Before I show you the whole cleaning, there are a few things that are going on with the paint. They're minor, but I do want to make a note of them. Your water line's starting to show wear and tear. Natural for it to happen, but I do want to let you know, when you see a little bit of paint coming through, that does make it a little bit harder for us to clean it as well as we normally do. And also, you're going to see little white spots when I'm going down under the water. That means that those spots have kind of been rubbed a bit, and the paint's been rubbed away from there. It usually happens when water's able to get between the ablative paint and the fiberglass, and it kind of raises those spots up. We call it bubbling. So we're going to show that, and just letting you know, you might want to start considering some paint or some new paint on it. But let's go ahead and show the hull cleaning and have Dane double check and concur, or let you know if it might have a little bit longer. Using DS Dive.